Hi, to use the double backtap gesture on your Poco F6, as a first step, we would need to go in the phone settings, and here scroll till we can see the additional settings. So now you just need to scroll a bit and you will see this section gesture shortcuts, and after that in the custom gestures you can see the feature backtap. So we can enable either double tap or triple tap or both of them, but in this video we are interested in double backtap, right? So let's go in this option and select any option from the list. For example, we can choose to trigger calculator with the help of double backtap. And now we would need to double tap on the back part of the phone to trigger the calculator. So let's try this out. And yeah, it's working, not from the first attempt, but it is still working. So now let's switch from the calculator to the silent mode, for example, and double tap for silent mode, and yeah, you can see that it is disabled now, and let's double tap again, and now it is on. And the last one, let's do it with camera. So let's double tap to launch camera, and yeah, it's working. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.